The top 5 reasons you should invest in your next town hall meeting with a live stream.
Be seen, heard, and better understood through virtual gatherings. Elevate your message with corporate streams.
Hey everybody, I'm Noah, the founder of Corporate Streams. Our aim is to minimize distractions and maximize impact through modern communication tools. Town hall meetings offer a valuable communication platform for companies and their employees. They foster an open discussion and enable the distribution of crucial information. Yet many companies fail to leverage the potential of such meetings. Here are 5 of the reasons to consider investing in a high-quality production for your next town hall meeting. Valuable employees' attention. When you host a town hall meeting, you're essentially renting the attention of every employee in attendance. This is a significant investment given the hourly cost of your employees' time. Therefore, it is crucial to honor this commitment by ensuring every moment is well spent. Treat your employees' attention as a valuable resource and strive to make your own town hall meetings engaging, informative, and well worth their time. This approach not only shows your respect for your employees, but also maximizes the return on investment you're making in these meetings. Build trust and transparency. A town hall meeting primarily fosters trust and transparency between leadership and employees. It allows leaders to share the company's goals, challenges, and successes, promoting a transparent culture and a sense of community. Build trust and authority. To build trust and authority, it is crucial to minimize technical distractions. When presentations run smoothly without technical issues, the focus remains solely on the message, enhancing communication effectiveness and the presenter's professionalism. This strengthens the audience's trust and confidence. Increase employee engagement. Town hall meetings significantly boost employee engagement. When employees can directly ask questions and receive answers from the leadership team, they feel appreciated and listened to. This interaction enables management to grasp employee concerns and ideas, leading to better decision making. The technical support team is crucial in facilitating these meetings. They ensure seamless technology operation, allowing for clear, uninterrupted communication. This support promotes open discussions, spurs employee participation, and strengthens trust and transparency within the organization. The technical team's skills and commitment are essential to maximizing effectiveness of these crucial meetings. Hey, let me know in the comments below if you script your videos, and make sure you stick around to the end because I have a great tip that will increase your engagement. Foster collaboration and teamwork. Town hall meetings provide a collaborative platform for employees. It allows for the discussion of ideas and information sharing, leading to more efficient and effective teamwork. This increased productivity can benefit the company as a whole. Additionally, town hall meetings are an excellent place to recognize and collaborate individual achievements. Highlighting team members' hard work and accomplishments boosts morale and promotes a culture of appreciation. These success collaborations can inspire others, fostering unity and driving excellence within the community. Promote company culture. Town hall meetings are an excellent opportunity to promote company culture. By sharing success stories, recognizing employee achievements, and discussing company values, employees can better understand and embody the company culture. This can lead to a more comprehensive and motivated workforce. Bonus tip, maximize impact. Town hall meetings can be even more impactful with use of modern communication tools. Live streaming and video conferencing allow for remote employees to participate, increasing engagement and collaboration. By investing in these tools, companies can reach a wider audience and make their own town hall meetings even more effective. Town hall meetings are an essential communication tool for companies. By investing in high-quality production, companies can achieve numerous benefits, including building trust and transparency, increasing employee engagement, fostering collaboration and teamwork, and promoting company culture. The use of modern communication tools such as live streaming and video conferencing can further enhance these benefits by enabling wider participation. For those interested in learning more about live streaming, the Corporate Streams website offers a wealth of free resources and valuable insights. It's time to maximize the impact of your town hall meetings and transform your corporate communication. Check out our live stream basics playlist if you'd like to learn more about live streaming, and please feel free to reach out if you're looking for a live stream vendor to help elevate your corporate communication. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next one.